Now, children, I have already explained you about subject verb agreement. Now, what is subject verb agreement? Yesterday, I have told you that verb is governed by subject. Always the verb will follow its subject. It will change according to its subject. It is agreement between subject and verb. The correct use of verb according to the subject. When our subject is singular, we will use singular verb. And when our subject is plural, we are going to use plural verb. Now we will proceed to worksheet number 3. In worksheet number 3, words such as neither, either, everyone, then much of, less, all these words take singular verbs. Words such as neither, either, each, everyone, one of the, much, little, less, such type of words will take singular verbs. Now look at the first sentence. In the first sentence, you will see that neither is used. Neither is used. And in such case, when neither is used, you are going to use was. Because was is single. It is a singular verb. So with neither, we use was. I hope this is clear to you. Now come to second, either. With either, again we are going to use is. This is again singular. So always remember words such as either, neither, each, everyone, much, little, such type of words, they are going to take singular verbs. Now coming to the next one, none of the. None of the work was completed. None of the strategies have worked. Now the sentences, none of, a lot of, a variety of. When such type of words are used, and one more, that is plenty of. When such type of words are used, we are going to take verb according to the we'll see whether it is amount, quantity or number. Some words can refer to amount and some can refer to number. So when these words refer to amount, quantity, they take singular verb. And when the words refer to number, they take plural form, as you can see over here. Now I'll just show you the examples. None of the work was completed. Now none of the work is the amount. So when we are referring to amount, the verb will be, what kind of verb will be? It will be was. It will be singular verb. In the same case, a lot of. A lot of, with lot of you are going to use again singular. A lot of energy. A lot of energy shows that it is amount, it is quantity, and so the verb will be was, that is singular. But when I say none of the strategies, it is number, and so the verb that is followed is have. This is the verb. In the same way, look at the second sentence, a lot of books. A lot of books. Books can be counted, it is plural, and so the verb is plural. Books can be counted and the verb, that is the helping verb we have used, is plural. A variety of music is available here. Music will again take singular because a variety of music cannot be counted. It is the amount, so it is singular. A variety of music albums is again, albums can be counted, so the verb is are, that it is plural. Now look at the next sentence. Plenty of help has been offered to the poor family. Again, help is quantity or number, and hence it will take singular verb. Plenty of trees were uprooted in the storm last night. Trees is number and plural verb is were. So remember that with words like none, a lot of, great deal of, plenty of, most of, when there are such kind of words in a sentence, the verb will be according to the amount or the number. If it is amount, it is showing amount, it will be singular. But if it is showing quantity, if it is saying number, it will be taking a plural verb. Now let us look at some examples. Have you seen the sculptures made by him? Now each one is a masterpiece. Now why is, children? Why I have written is? Can you tell me? Now why I have written is? Because just now I told you that with each, either, neither, each, everyone, one of the, much, little, less, with such type of verbs we take singular. So is singular and hence we take singular verb. Neither of the two teams was able to score a goal. Much of the hard work of the farmers has been wasted because of the drought. A great deal of literature on the art of cooking is available in the market. Again, literature cannot be counted. A lot of appreciation was showered on the singer. A lot of people are allergic to dairy products. Now, a lot of people, I think you know why I have added here. I told you just now, a lot of people. People can be counted and hence it has taken and a lot of people. Now, a lot of people can be counted and hence it has taken the plural form of verb. Very little is known of the Harappan civilization. Again, you will see that very little. With little, I have told you before that we are going to use singular and so is. None of the residents. With the none of, I have told you that if it is number, we are going to write were. So was and were. Were is the correct answer because it is the plural form of verb. Less of paper is consumed these days. With less, I have told you that again, with less of paper, less will take singular. So less of paper is consumed these days. Everyone of the society. With everyone, again we are going to use singular and that is has. Everyone in the society has now joined hands against the corruption. Thank you, children. I hope you have understood worksheet number 3. See, children, when these 4 words, either, neither, each, one, every, when these 4 words is followed by a noun. What is noun over here? Boy is followed by a noun, or you can say like it is used as an adjective. Why adjective? Because it is being used before a noun, that is boy. So when words like each, neither, either, every, such type of words are followed by a noun, the verb is in the singular. I have explained you from the exercises. Look at these exercises. Each boy is responsible for himself alone. Neither program gives me much pleasure. Gives is again a singular form of verb. Every boy and every girl, though they are two, but still I told you that if there is the use of every, you are going to use singular verb. Every boy and every girl was tested for physical fitness. So whenever words like either, neither, each, every are there, remember that if it is coming before a noun, it will be followed by a singular verb. Such type of words take singular form of verb.